Hello everyone, I'm Cecilia, and today we're going to learn how to use SPSS to test the reliability and the validity of a questionnaire. This session is perfect for students who are conducting quantitative research, writing a thesis, or working on a research project that involves survey data. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use SPSS to check reliability, such as Chromebox Alpha, and understand how to assess validity, including basic contract validity through factor analysis. These are essential steps to make sure your data is reliable and your results are meaningful. Don't worry if you are new to SPSS or statistics. I'll walk you through everything step by step, explain each concept in simple terms, and show you exactly which button to click in SPSS. You can pause at any time to follow along or try it yourself. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to import your data into SPSS and begin testing reliability and validity. Before we begin, we need to confirm that you have SPSS software version 25 or higher installed, the survey data in Excel format, and a pen and paper to record key results. Additionally, please ensure that the data has been thoroughly cleaned and contains no missing value or outliers. It is recommended to back up the original data before analysis to prevent accidental data loss. Step 1. Open SPSS. Click on File, Open, Data, and select your questionnaire data file. First, we import the prepared data into SPSS. If you are using an Excel file, remember to check whether the variable names are correctly identified. When importing, after the data is imported, we click on Variable View to ensure that each variable is set correctly, especially the score type. Reliability and validity analysis usually requires variables to be scored or ordered. Step 2. Click Analyze, Score, Reliability Analysis, and move the question variable that needs to be tested into the item box. The reliability analysis will be conducted. We select all the questions that belong to the same dimension and put them in the project box. Here's a note. Generally, a Chromebox alpha coefficient greater than 0.7 indicates good reliability. Click the Statistics button and check the score after delete the item. This can help us identify whether a certain question needs to be deleted. Step 3. Check the reliability statistics table in the output window, with a focus on the Chromebox alpha value. If the alpha value is above 0.8, it indicates very good reliability. If it is lower than 0.7, it may be necessary to delete some questions or redesign the questionnaire. We can also check the score after deletion table. If the alpha after deletion of a certain question significantly increases, it indicates that it may not be suitable for retention. Step 4. Click Analyze, Dimension Reduction, Factor, and move all variables into the Variables box. We use the KMO and Bartlett tests in factor analysis to determine whether the data is suitable for factor analysis. Click the Descriptive button and check KMO and Bartlett sphericity test. Step 5. Check the KMO value and the Bartlett test significance, which means p-value, in the output. A KMO value greater than 0.6 indicates that the data is suitable for factor analysis. The p-value of the Bartlett test should be less than 0.05, indicating a significant correlation among the variables. If both items pass, it indicates that the data has good structural validity. Excellent work! You've successfully learned how to use SPSS to test the reliability and the validity of your data. You now have the solid foundation for evaluating the quality of questionnaires and ensuring that your research findings are both trustworthy and meaningful. From here, you can continue exploring more advanced techniques, such as conducting exploratory or confirmatory factor analysis. You can also apply these skills directly to your thesis, dissertation, or future research projects. Thank you for following along today. I hope this session has increased your confidence in using SPSS for data analysis, and I wish you every success in your future research work. Thank you for listening.
So for the project, we chose to demonstrate SPSS reliability and validity measurement because it is a foundational yet challenging skill for students in social sciences, psychology, and business. The process involves 5 key follow steps. Preparing data and setting variable types, running reliability analysis, and interpreting reliability output, and running factor analysis for validity and interpreting validity results. These steps ensure that survey instruments are trustworthy before further analysis, a critical need for thesis and research projects. So our target audience is undergraduate and postgraduate graduate students with basic computer skills but little to no experience with SPSS or statistical testing. Our instructional goals were to enable learners to independently run reliability and validity tests in SPSS, and to help them interpret key outputs and make decisions based on statistical thresholds, and to reduce a statistical anxiety through clear visual step-by-step guidance. We faced 3 main challenges through this process. The first one is making statistical concepts accessible. Our solution is using simple definitions and on-screen text and visual highlights. The second is ensuring clear screen demonstration. So we used zoom-ins, animates, arrows, and close-up on SPSS menus to solve it. The final is maintaining engagement in a short video. We kept the video under 6 minutes and used a friendly presenter tone and added dynamic graphics to guide attentions. So through iterative testing and editing, we created a tutorial that is both instructional and engaging, equipping learners with practical skills they can apply immediately in their research.